Hi, welcome. Today, we are going to learn the first topic of Form 3, and that is Lines and Angles Part 2. In this video, you will learn on the angles associated with parallel lines and transversals. In this topic, you will learn terms like parallel lines, transversal, alternate angle, interior angle, corresponding angle, intersecting lines, and supplementary angle. Before we begin with this chapter, let's do some recap on angles so that you will have a better understanding. An angle is formed when two rays, aligned with one endpoint, meet at one point. Angle also measures the amount of turn. This one point, where two rays meet, is called a vertex. The angle is formed by the distance between the two rays. Angles, in geometry, are often referred to using the symbol shown, so angle A would be written as angle A. Now, let's begin our topic today. First part of the topic, we will learn how to identify transversals, corresponding angles, alternate angles, interior and exterior angles. Now, let's begin our topic today with transversal line. What is a transversal line? If we have two lines, they don't have to be parallel, and have a third line that crosses them, as in the figure shown. The crossing line is called as a transversal. Again, a transversal line is a line that crosses or passes through two other lines. However, the two other lines do not have to be parallel line. When this line happens, several angles are created. You can use these angles to find the measurements of other angles. There are 8 different angles in a transversal. They are placed into 5 different categories. Next, let's look at the angles formed through a transversal line. Corresponding angle, alternate angle, supplementary angle, interior angle, and exterior angle. When a line, called a transversal, intersects a pair of parallel lines, corresponding angles are formed. Corresponding angles are angles that are in the same relative position at an intersection of a transversal and at least two lines. The corresponding angles are equal to each other. In the figure shown, the pair of corresponding angles are angle 1 equals 5, angle 2 equals 6, angle 4 equals 8, and angle 3 equals 6. To identify these angles, it is easy by writing the letter F and its reverse along the two parallel lines. Let's try a few questions. Question 1. In the given figure, if the angle A is 52 degree, then find the other 7 angles. Given that A equals 52 degree, and G and A are corresponding angles, so A and G are equal. Therefore, G equals to 52 degree. We know that a straight angle has a measure of 180 degree. So, angle A plus angle D equals to 180 degree. 52 plus angle D equals 180, angle D equals 180 minus 52. Angle D equals 128. Here, angle D and angle F are corresponding angles. So, angle D and angle F are equal. Therefore, angle F is also 128 degree. Angle B and H are corresponding angles. Therefore, H is also 128 degree. We know that a straight angle has a measure of 180 degree. So, B plus C equals 180. C equals 52 degree. Next, angle C and E are corresponding angles. So, C and E are equal. Therefore, C is also 52 degree. Thus, angle A equals G equals C equals E equals to 52 degrees. Angle B equals to H equals to D and also equals to F. Thus, angle F is equal to 128 degree. Alternate angles are classified into two different types, based on the position of the angles. They are alternate interior angles and alternate exterior angle. Interior angles are angles that are on the inside of the two parallel lines. In the example show, the interior angles are angles C, D, E, and F. Meanwhile, exterior angles are angles that are on the outside of the two parallel lines. In the example, the exterior angles are angles A, B, G, and H. The pairs of angles on opposite sides of the transversal, but inside the two lines, are called alternate interior angles. The pairs of angles on opposite sides of the transversal but outside the two lines are called alternate exterior angles. So far, we have learned on transversal line, corresponding angle, alternate angle, interior and exterior angle. Thank you for watching this video.